Hey guys, today I'll be showing you some updates on the Z car. I know it's been a little while since I've shared anything. Actually since December I think it was, or January 1. But anyways, I've kind of started the back of the car here. I've now got it in the garage and can work on it a little bit deeper. And just been prepping all the rust, getting rid of all the rust here on it, and sanding and taking care of everything. Just trying to address everything I can and just get it cleaned up here. This is where I had a water leak, so I had a water leak around the gasket, so I replaced the gasket. And so once I pulled the gasket, I realized I had more problems under the gasket, so prepped all that and just been cleaning everything up, taking care of the rust here, and just trying to get it cleaned up. You can see where I hadn't painted yet, but treating everything with phosphoric acid. And actually I use JB Weld as filler, which I've learned not to do. That takes a lot of sanding to get that off there, but it's more solid than Bundo would be, so feel a lot better about it. But phosphoric acid treatment, sanding, trying to kill the rust, trying to prevent the rust growth. I'm just really trying to preserve the car right now. Like I say, I'm going to eventually do a restoration, but for now it's just all preservation, trying to prevent future damage from this rust. But as you can see, I've got it all the way down here cleaned up. Of course, I was experimenting with some paint. Still got some sanding and work to do to it. But pulled the tail lights and just kind of worked around the back here. And also, I do have a new rear valance. So this rear valance on this car is, got a lot of rust holes and stuff. So I've actually got a rear valance for it right here. This is actually for a 240. Wasn't sure if it's going to fit a 2+2, but actually it looks like it's going to fit pretty well. So got a valance, got my rear quarters to go in there for both sides. Of course, you can see they're pretty well shot on this car, but still got to find some rocker panels. Got a new dashboard for the car, which is not in it yet, but got everything kind of working. I rebuilt the clock assembly, so I got the clock working, all the gauges working, and so yeah, it's coming along really well. But anyways, I just want to make a video here. I know it's been a while since I've shared anything on the Z car, and just thought some of you guys might be interested in seeing some of the progress so far. Have not gave up on it. I've just been busy moving and everything else, and yeah, it's just been kind of crazy, especially with my full-time job. So just doing things that I have the time, and making time as well. So, but anyways guys, thanks for watching, and there'll be more here to come very soon. Take care. you.